Homes don't look after themselves, and for thousands of vulnerable older people in Wales, especially those in poor health or living on their own, keeping their home in good repair or adapting it to their changing health needs can be a real challenge. That's why a friendly knock on the door and helpful offer of work can seem like the answer to a prayer, but it's not. Doorstep fraudsters, scammers, and Cowboy Builders deliberately target older people at home. They know that older people often need help and are less comfortable about saying no. It's why 85% of Doorstep scam victims are older people. Doorstep fraudsters, scammers, and Cowboy Builders appear genuine and are persuasive. It's what they're good at, scamming people into paying for work that they can't or won't do. Thousands of pounds can be lost in a single payment to a Doorstep fraudster. Good contractors don't have time to go door knocking, they're too busy working because that's what they're good at. And the ones who understand older people's needs best are probably busy working with Care and Repair. Care and Repair's mission is to help older people stay safe, warm and well at home. That's why we only work with tried and trusted local builders, plumbers, electricians, gardeners and handy people. If you want help or advice on home maintenance or improvements, phone Care and Repair and say no to the knock on the door.